Open the gateway to happiness with Fenesta's contemporary and stylish casement windows and sliding windows and doors that are designed for easy operation, maximum air circulation, and spectacular panoramic views. The perfect choice for contemporary styled homes, Fenesta's sliding doors and windows add that exquisite finesse to any room while catering to the fenestration requirements. These sliding windows and doors come with 2 or more horizontal sachets fitted with rollers at the bottom for smooth movement on tracks. These windows and doors can be customized on the required height and width with the addition of sachets. Fenesta's sliding doors and windows come with multiple track and sash options that help cover larger spans effortlessly. The low friction between rollers and tracks enables a smooth sliding motion. Fenesta sliding windows also offer increased protection against heavy rains with a specially designed monsoon track and also against high-speed winds with its hurricane bars. Special anti-lift locks ensure that sliding panels cannot be lifted from outside. Enhancing security and interlock between all panels ensures sealing the inside from dust and other pollutants. Fenesta casement windows are the ideal windows for any space, featuring a sash that is hinged from the side on an outer frame, which can open inwards or outwards, to the left or right. Fenesta casement windows also provide maximum ventilation. They come with friction stay hinges that ensures that the window remain open in a fixed position even during a stiff breeze. Fenesta's windows and doors come with double sealing that insulates your home against noise, dust and pollution, and heat. Heat and sound insulation is further enhanced by double glazing or triple glazing options. Fenesta windows and doors are built out of high-quality hardware that does not rust or corrode. They also come with multi-point locking that enhances security. Fenesta windows are made up of a UPVC blend with special additives that make the windows UV resistant, sturdy, maintenance-free and long-lasting, avoiding the hassle of repolishing and painting and a 10-year warranty on the profile. Insects are a major concern in every city in India. Therefore, Fenesta windows and doors come with an option of mesh to safeguard your home against insects without sacrificing ventilation. Take a pick from a selection of 8 evergreen colors such as light oak, mahogany, walnut, dark oak, Flemish gold, silver brush, black, or the elegant pristine white. Available in multiple design options, Fenesta casement windows and sliding window and doors offer a wide variety to choose from. Add that breath of fresh air to your homes. Switch to Fenesta's sliding windows and doors and casement windows. Enjoy magnificent views, improved ventilation, and expansive space with complete peace. It's time to give your home a complete makeover with Fenesta.